Module 1. Introduction to Commercialising Innovation and the Process of Innovation. Innovation has been widely recognised as a key driver of economic growth and performance enhancer for business. It is thus referred to as the bloodline of any organisation aiming to succeed in today's globalised economy. The term innovation can be defined as something original and more effective, and as a consequence new, that breaks into the market or society. This is accomplished through more effective products, processes, services, technologies or business models that are readily available to markets, governments and society. The OECD Oslo's Manual's classification of innovation defines 4 types of innovation: product innovation, process innovation, marketing innovation and organisational innovation. Another classification discerns between closed innovation and open innovation. In closed innovation, a company generates, develops and commercialises its own ideas. This philosophy of self-reliance dominated the R&D operations of many leading industrial corporations for most of the 20th century. In the new model of open innovation, a company commercialises both its own ideas as well as innovations from other entities and seeks ways to bring its in-house ideas to market by deploying pathways outside its current businesses. Irrespective of the approach adopted, innovation is inevitably materialised in a process of connected steps, which begins with research, where a number of sources of innovation can be identified, such as university research, individual entrepreneurship, company intellectual property, imported technology, etc., or according to the functional source of innovation approach, such as users, manufacturers, or suppliers. Continuing with development, in which the research results are converted into a practical, applicable idea, and ends with commercialisation in order to bring the new product or service to market. The main steps of the innovation process can be further disaggregated into more detailed phases, namely: Phase 1. Identifying the goals or problems to be solved. Phase 2. Analysis of customers' needs, competition and internal conditions. Phase 3. Development, design and assessment of potentially successful ideas. Phase 4. Conversion of ideas into practical innovative products or services. Phase 5. Commercialization of tested ideas to achieve full-scale operations. The term commercialization of innovation is perceived as a process of turning ideas into market-competent products in order to create economical value, and can be defined as the process of transforming ideas, knowledge and inventions into greater wealth for individuals, businesses and/or society at large. As discussed above, commercialization is a subset of the broader process of innovation. It is driven by market and profit motives, with firms seeking to gain a positive return on investment in research, licensing, product development and marketing, including through the creation of competitive niche markets. From the initial introduction of the product through its mass production and adoption, commercialization begins when a business identifies a way to use scientific or engineering advances to meet a market need, the research. The process continues through design, development, manufacturing ramp-up and marketing, and includes later efforts to improve the product, servicing. The benefits of commercialization are quite diverse and can be observed at macro level for the whole or part of society, economy, or the business community, as well as at micro level for individual companies, customers and communities. Thus, the benefits of commercialization can be societal, spanning across areas such as healthcare, environment, education and industrial applications, related to economic growth, generating new revenues and creating jobs locally, regionally, nationally and internationally, resulting in industry partnerships, as well as in more effective recruitment and retention, and is crucial for the development of the competitive advantage of a firm, including young SMEs. Despite its various positive impacts, commercialisation is a complex process facing a number of pitfalls relating to marketing, resources, the business environment, and the planning and management of commercialisation processes. Other challenges include a lack of time and interest, a negative attitude in the research environment, existence of economic risks, conflicts of interest and bureaucratic disturbance, lack of business or commercialisation knowledge, incompatibility of commercialisation with the ethics of science, and issues with ownership rights. Still, other obstacles that organisations face in the process of innovation and commercialisation are the creation of value for the customer and the time to market, customer acceptance, value capturing and sharing, and innovation strategy implementation.